Okay, so I had recently got the Lefree toilet brush and I really liked it. It was a freestanding one, and in the bathroom that I have it in, we don't have a lot of room, so it's perfect for that bathroom. But I went ahead and got the Lefree, it's a floor standing one as well, but this one you can mount as well. So if I decide that I would rather it just be mounted, I can always do that. So this one, it's got a square, and same thing with the other. It's got the mounting strips right here, and you just slide it into place. If for some reason you do mess up, it comes with two, okay? So here's the top. It's a nice silicone brush, and so you screw in there's two pieces, a nice long handle. This one's got a little thing here at the top. So anyway, it fits. It nests in there really nice. And this one, you can pull out the bottom piece here. And you know how sometimes they just get really gross. You're able to pull this out, get it all nice and clean, and then it just slides right back into place. So this one, you can also, I mean, it will just sit like this if you'd prefer to do that. Or you can mount it. So there's a lot of versatility with this one. You should definitely check it out. It is the Lefree Silicone Toilet Brush, and you can find it on Amazon.